In the following series of videos, we're going to do problem solving for chapter 12. First, we're going to start by comparing two population variances via the 5 steps hypothesis testing. Second, we're going to learn how to fill in a ANOVA table. Third, we're going to compare several population means. And finally, we're going to talk about inferences about pairs of treatment in the case of means. To cover the first point, we're going to solve problem 2 from worksheet 7. The objective is to compare the variation in daily production of the level of two paper mills, paper mill 1 and paper mill 2. To do so, we're going to follow the 5 steps hypothesis testing. In step 1, we state our hypotheses. The claim is that we have more variability in the production level at paper mill 1. So H1 would be stated as follows. The variance in paper mill 1 is higher than the variance in paper mill 2, and H0 would be the complete opposite. The variances in paper mill 1 is less or equal than the variance in paper mill 2. Step 2. Alpha is equal to 5%. In step 3, we calculate F. The numerator would be the larger variance and the denominator would be the smaller variance. We get an F calculated of 2.56. In step 4, we need to determine F critical. To do so, we need the degree of freedom of the numerator and the degree of freedom of the denominator. The degree of freedom of the numerator is equal to n1 minus 1, which is 13 minus 1, and the degree of freedom of the denominator is 18 minus 1, which is n2 minus 1. With that information, we go to the F table. We choose the corresponding F table that is suitable to our alpha level, which is 5%. We get an F critical of 2.38. If F calculated is less than 2.38, we do not reject H0, while if it is higher than 2.38, we reject H0. In our case, 2.56 is higher than 2.38, so we reject H0.